Namaste, Adab, Shat Sri Akal and Khushamadid. Welcome to the first series of the Tech Project. I am Kunal and today we will see the killer look of iPhone 13. So keep watching till the end. Let's get started. Thank you so much for watching this video for the time being. Don't forget to comment if you have any suggestion. If you haven't liked and shared it, please like and share with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel at all because like this I will keep bringing interesting news for you.